I still remember this one incident. In Indian villages, they will give the donkey milk, Kazhudappal, for a very strong voice, metallic voice, Vengala Kural. For that, they will rub the donkey's milk, Kazhudappal, in the tongue. There is another one poison called Kallipal. If you give Kallipal to the kids, kids will die. There are some places where they want to get rid of their kids, they will give the Kallipal. Kallipal will kill the kids. These are the traditional poisons. Kallipal, Arali Veda. These are the traditional poisons. This Kazhudappal is very healthy to make the voice very strong. When they were doing certain process to make my voice very metallic and strong, actually, please understand, I can speak for 20 hours a day, from morning till night, and the voice will be same. See all my video recordings of the classes, whether I am speaking early morning 4 o'clock or I am speaking late night 2 o'clock. Continuously, it will be same because it was done by them. They did it. My gurus have done it. So when my Guru Kuppamal, when she was applying that Kazhudappal, she added some herbs and then started applying in my tongue. And Isaki Swami and Raghupati Yogi, both of them insisted that she adds certain poisonous herbs like a Arali Veda and this Kallipal. She was asking why. Certain quantity, means very less quantity, processed. Like in one copper needle, they applied the Arali Veda poison and the Kallipal and showed it in the fire, almost like processing it, breaking its poisonous qualities, but adding it to the Kazhudappal, that milk which was being given to me as a medicine. They were adding. Actually, Raghupati Yogi and Isaki Swami insisted that this gets added. So it used to be done every day. One best thing I received from Paramashiva is I will never question my gurus. Not even 1 second I will think. See, in front of me only they talk to each other. கொஞ்சம் அரளி விதையை அரைச்சி கொஞ்சம் கள்ளிப்பாலையும் சேர்த்து அதையும் சேர்த்துடலாமா இதில் இந்த கழுதப்பாலில். And I know அரளி விதை is a poison. What they are mixing is a poison. I have heard it many times that people die when they are given அரளி விதை or when they are given the Kallipal. Neither I will have 1 second reluctance, nor I will ask for explanation, nothing. I will just stretch my tongue, I will be just sitting and waiting. பாட்டி சீக்கிரம் தடவி முடி, நான் எவ்வளவு நேரம் வாயை திறந்தே உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்கிறது. That's all I will tell. I will only tell that quickly apply it on the tongue. How long I can be sitting with open tongue hanging. That's all I will tell. Neither doubt nor question, not even explanation. So slowly every day they will increase the dosage. One day suddenly I saw tears in Raghupati Yogi's eyes. That was little because he is a very strong, real man. I never bothered about they applying poison every day in my tongue. But these tears shook me. I asked, what happened? What happened? What happened, Swamiji? He said, no, I am so happy. Now nobody can poison you. Anyone poisons also, that poison will be only cleansed. You can detox yourself and the system will be cleansed, but you won't die. Because they built the system such a way that no poison can kill the body, can kill it. They said, no poison can kill you anymore. The system is now thoroughly built that not only you are ready for the metallic stone voice, no poison can touch you. I used to wonder why they have prepared me with so many layers of protection. Because they know culinaries will try to do anything, and the culinary gangs, racist gangs, will try to do anything. Listen. I am absolutely dedicated to my gurus. I am not a reformer. I am a reviver. What my gurus gave me, I am just reviving it to the whole world, mapping it to modern man. You need to be very clear. About where I am coming from. Only then you will understand the authenticity of what I am sharing with you all. As I said, this is the one-liner. Small but continuous living stream of enlightened masters from a small, remote Indian village gone right. That's all. Whether the science of unclutching, science of 7 chakras, the science of state of Paramashiva, science of space of Paramashiva, the completion, working with samskaras, releasing the samskaras, completing the samskaras, are science of kriyas, science of yoga vinyasa kramas, science of pranayamas, the science of meditation techniques, science of power manifestation, science of dhyana, science of dharana, science of samadhi, science of aushadas, science of yantras, science of mandalas, science of siddha herbs, everything. I am just reviving, not reforming. Science of mantras, science of kriyas, everything. I am just reviving, not reforming or newly adding anything, whether methodology of Shaktipada or Shaktinipada. Distilling the essence of all the Hindu sampradayas, Hindu orders, and sharing with you all everything. Whatever I received from my gurus, I am just mapping it and sharing it with you all.